it's AB King here. Looking for a sure way to gain weight or add muscle? If so, then this video is for you. Yes, of course we know how hard it can be to buff up. It can be as difficult as losing weight. But hey, there is a good news. You can successfully gain weight and muscles. That's only if you can give yourself to eating the right foods. The food for more like the ones that can increase your chances of getting your dream body in no time. So let's check them out. Taking the first place is milk, an excellent choice for anyone looking to gain weight and build muscles. Of course, milk has been here for decades, and the good thing is it never fails to deliver. But the most important part, this food is chock full of protein, making it perfect for those trying to add more muscles. What more is that milk is a great source of calcium, vitamins, and other essential minerals. Just focus on drinking a glass or two after your workout session. You will definitely see results. And the next one is protein smoothies. Number 2 is protein smoothies. Looking for a sure, quick, and highly nutritious way to gain weight? If so, we will recommend give protein smoothies a shot. As we are looking to gain weight and muscles the healthy way, no diversion, so this is the best second option. And the good news is that there are a whole lot of sugar tasty variations you can try. Just do your homework, mix and start drinking. And number 3 is red meats. Yes, red meats. Red meats also happen to be on our list. In fact, they are one of the best muscle building foods right now. For the most part, red meats contain dietary creatine, an amazing muscle building supplement. You will be happy to hear that it contains leucine, about 3 grams per 6 ounce. For your information, leucine is an essential amino acid the body needs to stimulate muscle protein synthesis and add new muscle tissue. But what if you are looking just to add some weight? Well, red meats are perfect for you. They contain the right amount of fat and calories. And the final one is rice. Just a single serving can give you a high amount of carbs and calories. It is also good to know that rice is super easy to consume and digest. Once you prepare your rice, don't forget to add some protein and healthy fats to the mix. And that's it. These are some highly nutritious foods that can increase your chances of puffing up, gaining weight, and looking great. Now it's up to you to make your pick and eat up. And finally, thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe the channel so you never miss any health update.